Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy these stunning dragonfly earrings. Now, imagine a world where beauty and nature come together in perfect harmony. That's the world dragonfly earrings inhabit. These exquisite pieces of jewelry have soared to incredible heights of popularity, capturing hearts with unique design and the delicate craftsmanship that brings them to life. Recently, dragonfly earrings have been making headlines, and for all the right reasons. In the world of high fashion and fine jewelry, transformable jewels are the latest trend. These unique pieces are not just confined to the traditional roles of necklaces, bracelets, or earrings. Instead, they're taking on multiple roles, one of which is hair adornments. This intriguing trend was spotted at the Met Gala and even in popular TV shows like Emily in Paris. In the midst of this trend, dragonfly earrings stand out. Estate Diamond Jewelry's Art Nouveau dragonfly brooch is a prime example of this multifunctionality. It's not just an earring, but a piece that can be transformed into a hair ornament, adding an extra touch of elegance to any hairstyle. But the news doesn't stop there. At the prestigious TIFAF Maastricht, one of the oldest art fairs in the world, dragonfly jewelry continues to make waves. Exhibitors specializing in animal and insect jewelry, including dragonfly pieces, have marked their presence at the event, further cementing the dragonfly's position in the world of high and historic jewels. The appeal of dragonfly earrings extends beyond the red carpet and high-profile art fairs. The popularity of these pieces has reached online platforms like Etsy, where a star seller offers a pair of dragonfly stud earrings, meticulously crafted from brass and sterling silver. Priced at an affordable $13, after a 35% discount, these earrings have garnered positive reviews, proving that the dragonfly trend is not just confined to high fashion, but is also making its mark in everyday fashion. So what's the buzz about dragonfly earrings? Their popularity is a testament to their versatility and the exquisite craftsmanship that goes into making each piece. From being a part of the latest trend of transformable jewels, to being showcased at prestigious art fairs and being a favorite on online platforms like Etsy, dragonfly earrings have indeed made a name for themselves. In conclusion, dragonfly earrings have soared in the world of jewelry, not simply as a fleeting trend but as an emblem of sophistication, adaptability, and exquisite workmanship. Be it in the realm of haute couture, a grand art exhibition, an online shopping platform, dragonfly earrings are omnipresent, enchanting onlookers and pivoting heads with their distinctive allure and beauty. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own pair of dragonfly earrings and become part of the trend.